Can you see yourself in the 2018 Chevrolet Spark? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. The Spark delivers the basics you need to get from point A to point B and adds efficiency, style, connectivity, advanced safety features, and hatchback convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, variable speed intermittent wipers. You'll be light and bright in the sprightly Spark, the personal-sized car with a playful feel. Test drive it today.